Are there aspects of Jewish culture that you have a particular love for?
I love Yiddish movies. I love them. They're so melodramatic and they're so interesting, and they're larger than life. And if it's larger than life, then you don't have to worry about it because it's, above all this. The one movie that makes me feel sad for a very unusual reason was Yiddle Mitten Fiddle with Molly Pecan. And I had read about her and that she had gone to Poland to learn Yiddish. She was not well versed in Yiddish, and her husband, who was her manager, said, "Let's go to Poland." The people that were in that movie, the extras, the shtetl where they filmed and all that, were Polish Jews, and it was in, I guess, the middle 30s, the late 30s. And I realized when I looked at it that in a few years these people would all be gone forever. And that's overwhelming.